It is Saturday, February 12th. I'm waiting for Coach John to show up because he is carless today. Apparently there's a wave at the pier. Looks small, but still looks fun. So we are going to get after it. You have to, it's the weekend. Hey, don't go in the street. It's about 60 degrees out today. Very weird for a February day, but we are going to try to enjoy this weather as much as we can. Full send. Come on, bub. Run. Run, run, run. Don't touch that. Now. All right, Coach John is taking too long, so I'm just gonna meet him at Bayhead. Brian just texted me, he's already there. So hopefully there's a wave. It is so warm, dude. It's reading 60 degrees out. Oh, there he is. He's calling. Yo.
What's up, Claimer?
What's up, bro? Pro surfer, Steve Hauser.
Yo, you're a pro now.
Dude, you want a signature?
Bayhead looks fun. I mean, it's small, but.
All right. Well, dude, I'm en route. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
All right.
Are you gonna send it there?
Either here or the pier. I'm not. It's up to you because it's whatever you think will be bigger.
I don't know.
It's a straight south swell, so.
I don't know.
The waves look fun. The waves look fun though. I'm seeing some guys catch some like really fun looking waves.
I don't know. Start suiting up. Are you already suited?
I'm not suited. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for the call. Are you coming here?
Yeah, I'm definitely en route to Bayhead. You on Mount? Where you at?
Yeah, I'm on Mount. Where are you at right now?
I'm about to hit the bridge.
Okay, sick.
Give me like 10 minutes and I'll be there. I'll meet you there.
Awesome.
All right, later.
Peace.
Oh, it's pumping. Say less. Let's go.
Dude, that was a good wave. You missed out, bro. Were you gonna catch that?
stoke level?
This thing on?
Yeah, bro.
Stoke level's pretty high. 65 degrees. February, no hood. That session was a 67 out of 10. 67 being the temperature of the air outside because it feels like summer.
Is that your stoke level?
Dude, it's high. It's. I went 67, so you're underballing it. I went for the temperature of the air. Next time I'll go 69.
What's your stoke level?
3.
Out of 10? That's a problem.
Big problem. All my friends are leaving me. I think Robert Weasel is gonna be chilling here with me though.
I'm chilling.
He's back from Florida.
I'm stoked.
We're leaving, we're going north.
Going north? Where are you going? North of the wall?
Chelsea Piers, and we're hitting Riverside. Then
Right
we're
now?
heading- yeah,
Dude,
into the night.
sick invite.
Yeah, you're not invited.
Yeah, you're
'cause
kind of famous. I'm getting a lot of positive feedback from Corey's rip session the other day.
Yeah, I got no more clips to take. So.
If he allows me. If he allows me. Good seeing you, boys. All right, it's February 14th, 2022. It is Valentine's Day. Valentine's? I don't know. I can't pronounce it right. My wife always yells at me. It's V-Day. And it's cold. Brick at brick. Chompy just left. Corey just left. But Robert Weasel's here. And it's time to shred. Let's get after it.
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's with an S or Valentine?
I say times.
Valentine's.
Valentine's.
See, I'm not the only one. I'm not the only one, Christine. She always yells at me. She says I don't know how to say it right. It is cold. It's like 27 degrees out with a wind chill of about 2. My fingers are cold. What you drinking there?
Brain energy.
Does it give you rain, bruh? Oh my gosh, that back 50 took a lot longer than I thought it was going to. I got the trick though. Say that. That's a wrap. I'm getting cold. It's about 26 degrees out here. Live to die happy. Until tomorrow, hopefully it's warmer.
What's good?
Boom,
Locals only.
boom, boom.
Let's claim, bro.
This week has been epic. I was stoked to meet up with John Anthony and Bryan, Michigan. The waves were a little small on Saturday, but they were clean and they were fun. Sometimes knee-high waves aren't so bad. I know a lot of people that won't paddle out unless it's 2 foot overhead, but that ain't me. No, thank you. I enjoy the small days, I really do. There were a couple fun skate sessions this week. Monday was super cold, but I landed some tricks I haven't landed in a long time, so I was stoked about that. Chompy got after it, Jaden got after it, Jackson got after it, and so did Nick. Those boys shred. If you don't follow them on Instagram, get on that. Overall, this week has been fun. We caught some epic waves on Saturday. I got after it at the skate park, and there looks like there's some more waves on the way. Thanks for watching, guys. New videos every week. Hit that subscribe button. Head on over to my merch shop, pick yourself up a t-shirt. Thank you to everyone that has been supporting me on my journey. I really appreciate it. If you keep watching, I'll keep making them. Thanks for all the love. Peace out.
What were you saying?
Come here and I will show you. Do you see this card? How it spells out Valentine's. There's always an apostrophe S, but there's an N, not an M. You always say Valentine. That is incorrect. It is Valentine with an N. Do you see that on the card?
I don't see it.